Hey guys, it's Nicole and welcome to my channel!
Missing someone without you.
So for today's video, I decided to make another Shopee haul since wala lang, trip ko lang. So I'm gonna be showing you the things that I got during the 6/6 flash sale on Shopee since I got a bunch of stuff. Pero guys, I didn't get any clothing items since wala lang, feeling ko ang dami ko nang biniling damit and tama na muna doon. So, yung mga binili ko, more on random things lang. Yung mga tipong scroll ka lang, tapos nakita mo, uy, ang cute na yun, bibilin ko. So, more on ganun lang. Super random. And yeah, you guys might want to check them out. So, I'm gonna be putting the links in the description box below. By the way, guys, this is gonna be like kind of an unboxing video kasi I haven't opened some of the stuff here, pero yung iba naka-open na kasi hindi ko na maintay. Pero yung iba, open ko pa lang. So, let's start off with this color tint from Colorette. I got it in the shade Ellie na matte. So, I got this color tint from Colorette. Tapos yun yung shade niya, Ellie na matte. I got this one kasi lagi kong nakita sa TikTok. Adik ako sa TikTok. Baka gusto niyo kayo follow sa TikTok. Nandun yung TikTok account ko sa description box. So, follow me. Anyways, lagi ko nakikita sa TikTok yung yung CEO ng Colorette. Tapos wala, super na-amaze lang ako. Ewan ko, na-curious ako sa product nila. Kasi ang daming magagandang reviews, ang daming nagsasabi na maganda. So, I got one. And naka-sale kasi sila nung 6/6. Like, $199 na lang. Tapos, free shipping. So, I got one. So, this is what Ellie looks like. Ganyan siya. And meron na siyang kasama nung parang ball sa loob. So, it looks like that. And na-swatch ko na pala siya kanina, guys. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Tadaan! And guys, I swear, it smells like vanilla. Super bango! I'm wearing it right now pala, by the way. Super nice! So, ang ganda nito. Feeling ko bibili pa ako in other shades kasi it's nice. I got this booty band na color pink kasi gusto ko na talagang mag-workout, guys. Ang taba-taba ko na talaga. As in, super. Wala na akong ginawa ngayong quarantine. Kung hindi kumain. But yeah, so gusto ko na talaga mag-workout. Kasi ang taba ko na talaga, guys. So, bumili akong booty band kasi wala lang. Pero, na-realize ko, guys, dapat mag-invest na pala kayo sa yung maganda talagang quality kahit medyo pricey. Kasi ito super mura. Pero guys, you get what you pay for. Sobrang feeling ko mabilis siyang mabali kapag na-stretch as in. And super dali lang niyang i-stretch. I also got some speed jump rope. Kasi guys, super dami kong nakikita na nag-jump rope na yun. Tapos wala, super na-inspire lang ako. Kasi feeling ko ang fun niya. Fun siya, yet productive din and magandang workout. As in, nabasa ko somewhere na yung 15-minute jump rope, equivalent na siya sa 30 or 45 minutes na jogging. So, I got some cases for my phone and for my AirPods. So, I got 2 cases for my phone. Itong isa, jelly lang siya na clear, na super mura. Pero, gets ko na ba siya super mura? Kasi, guys, one. So, parang hindi siya case. Hindi niya mapaprotect yung phone mo pag na-drop mo. But I guess it can protect your phone from scratches. So, and then, this one, I love this one kasi hard siya, matibay siya, hindi mo siya nabibend unlike the other one. And, simple lang kasi may white lang siya na like, lining, outline sa gilid. Tapos yan, mura lang rin. And then, I got 3 AirPods cases na simple lang rin kasi as I told you guys, gusto ko nga yung simple lang. So, I got one in black, I got one in transparent white, and one in blue. Kaso guys, super na-disappoint ako dito kasi like, itong color blue, dun sa picture, I'm gonna show it. There. Ganyan yung color niya. Pero, nahulog ko. Wait lang. Sa picture, ganyan. Pero, gano'n yun naman yung dumating. Ganyan na blue. Like, super iba. So, sad. Ito naman, yung color black. Nakaka-disappoint din. Kasi, guys, it's too big for my AirPods. Kasi hindi siya kasha. Super luwag niya. So, anong point? Hindi ko siya magagamit. Sad. Ganun, guys. Dito lang ako super natuwa or na-satisfy. Or hindi na-disappoint sa transparent white. And guys, ito super ganda niya. Promise. Okay, next, let's open these packages. Okay, first, ito. Guys, by the way, sinanitize ko muna itong mga packages bago ko hawak-hawakan. First, ito. Feeling ko, ito yung open na lang natin. Ang bobo ko, dapat kumuha akong scissors. Open natin. Ang hirap.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so, ito. Okay. So, I got this, eyelashes. Falsies. Kasi, wala lang. Gusto ko lang mag-makeup ngayon sa bahay. So, yan. I got this. And wala, kasi super mura lang niya. So, naisip ko, why not? And ang ganda niya. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it's nice, guys. Tignan niyo. Tapos, bumili rin ako ng, yung glue nila para sa falsies. Para malagay ko to. Kasi guys, if you don't know, ako, super ikli ng lashes ko. As in, natatakot ako magpa-eyelash extensions kasi feeling ko mag-fall off yung original kong lashes. So, falsies na lang muna tayo. So, I got these two. And then, from the same shop, wala lang, nakutan ako. Oh, ang cute nito. Bumili ako ng scrunchie. Super cute niya, na satin, tapos parang pink or rose gold yung color. Super cute! Scrunchie! Okay guys, next. It's this big package. Alam ko na to, super na-excite ako dito guys. Open na natin. Dapat talaga nagkakit ako ng gunting. Napaka naman. Yeah! Okay guys, so I got this yoga mat. Kasi, yun nga, based sa nakita nyo kanina, yung jump rope tsaka booty band. Gusto ko talaga mag-workout ngayong quarantine. Habang tapos na yung school year namin. So, like, meron kaming summer break. So, habang wala pang pasok, gusto ko talaga mag-workout. So, yeah, I got this one. I got the one in color black. Wait, open natin. Check natin kung maganda yung quality. Kasi, feeling ko manipis lang. So, this is what it looks like. Ganyan yung niya, kapal niya. Okay naman siya. And meron na siyang kasamang ganito. Para... Ay, anong tawag dito? Parang garter para ma-lock na sila. Ganyan. Diba? Parang hindi siya nag-open. So yeah, ang ganda. And guys, super lightweight niya lang. Ang gaan niya. So feeling ko, yun nga, hindi siya yung mga super wow na yoga mat. Siguro yung sakto lang. But I like this one. Can't wait! Okay guys, last thing. Ito na last ko talaga to kasi super, ito yung pinaka-inaabangan ko at pinaka-favorite ko. Okay, let's open. Pero maganda siya. I hope. Yay! So I got this one. Wait lang. Naka-ano siya. I got this bag! Wala, ang saya ko. Ang ganda niya. Wala, di pa ako nabubuksan. Maganda na kagad. Okay, ito na. Wow, it's so pretty. Uy, ang ganda, I swear. Ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda! Got this bag. Yung paganyan. Bed! So, I got one in color black para classic lang, simple, basic. I can pair this up with any outfit kasi black. And, mayroon nga, color gold yung parang outline niya. Gold yung zipper, and itong parang hook. I don't know what you call that. And, guys, super ganda niya. Oh, may kasama pa siyang strap. Para gusto mong mahaba. Ay, ang ganda. So, this is what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, wala siyang any compartment sa loob. As in, ganyan lang. Medyo expensive siya though, compared sa iba kong mga nakikita sa Shopee na shops. Kaso, ewan ko, like, super trusted ko na kasi tong brand na to. Itong Mumi. Kasi, marami na akong nabili na bags from this shop. As in, super dami na. And they never fail me talaga. As in, super ganda talaga ng quality. So, I guess, worth it naman yung quality for the price. So, kahit medyo expensive siya compared to other shops, parang mas prefer ko na to kasi at least sure ako na maganda yung quality. Which is, totoo naman, ang ganda talaga ng quality. As in, super. So yeah, worth it guys. I suggest bumili na kayo nito. So that is everything that I got from Shopee during the 6/6 sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click the notification bell down below. And yeah, I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!
Missing someone